Let me introduce myself. My name is Fatimatul Zahra. I was born in Tanah Grogot on January 17, 2004 and currently reside in Batu Kajang Village, Batu Sopang District, Pasir Regency, East Kalimantan. On this occasion, I would like to share my experience of the second day of my Eid holiday trip to the Indonesian capital city and Balikpapan city. I chose this theme because the trip offered a new and different experience from previous years. And typically, my family spend the Eid holiday in Balikpapan because it is relatively close to home. However, this year was special because we plan to visit the IKN by land and via the Balang Island Bridge before heading to Balikpapan. We departed on the second day of it around 5 a.m. Central Indonesia. The journey from Batu Kajang village to the IKN and Balikpapan is approximately 4 hours. This time, we didn't use the Penajam Balikpapan ferry, opting to take the Sepaku route to the IKN. After a 3-hour journey, we arrived at the Sepaku Penajam intersection and continue our journey to the capital city, which took about an hour and a half. Upon arrival at the capital city, we boarded an electric bus to enter the core area. We also rented bicycle near the Swiss Bell Hotel and began our cycling journey through Bhinneka Tunggal Ika Park, which display various provincial monuments in Indonesian. Then we passed the Bank Indonesian building, the coordinating minister's office complex, and then the presidential place area. The capital city, felt beautiful, well maintained, and filled with developed infrastructure. We stepped briefly in front of the presidential place to take video and enjoy the view. They rested at the Excelsior Nusantara Cafe. Afterward, we returned the bikes and returned to the parking area by electric bus. The journey continued to the Balang Island Bridge, which took about 30 minutes. We crossed the bridge while enjoying to the views of the ocean and mangrove forest. We entered the Karyangau Toll road towards Manggar Balikpapan. The journey from Karyangau to Manggar took about 30 minutes. Upon arriving in Balikpapan, our first destination was Lamaru Beach. We rented a tent to rest and had lunch with typical Eid dishes like rendang, buras, and meatball soup. Afterward, we walked along to the beach and tried the adrenaline by ATV ride around to the beach and find the trials. In the afternoon, we headed to the Balikpapan Super Block to check in at the Pentacity Hotel. After a short break, we visit PSB Beach, location behind to the building. There we enjoy the sunset, photo spot, and even a musical performance. In the evening, I toured the Ewald Mall, shopping for clothes at the Matahari, body care at Guardian, dining at the Solaria, and watching the horror film Pabrik Gula before returning to the hotel. The next morning, after breakfast and swimming in the hotel pool, we visit the Pentacity Mall for some shopping, including clothes at the Uniqlo and H&M, and women accessories at Awesome and Miniso. After that, we continue our journey to the Living Plaza to purchase some household supplies at the Informa and Ice Hardware. Toward the end of the day, we decided to return home by sea, taking by Penajam Balikpapan ferry. The ferry journey took about 1 hour, and during the journey we enjoy the sunset while eating pop mee. After arriving in Penajam, we had some meatball soup before continue the 3 hours length journey until I finally arrived at home in Batu Kajang. This trip was one of the most memorable holiday experience for me, as I not only visit Balikpapan as usual, but also experience the development of the capital city firsthand and enjoy a new route via the Balang Island Bridge. This vacation wasn't just about recreation, but also provided new experience with my family that I will always remember.